Technical communication really is a term used to describe a group of SOLIDWORKS products that invariably create some kind of communication of technical procedures. So that includes SOLIDWORKS Composer, which creates things like instruction manuals, procedural guides, maintenance manuals. It includes SOLIDWORKS Visualize, which creates high-quality photorealistic images. It creates interactive content. It can create movies and virtual reality content too. It includes MBD, which stands for Model-Based Definition. That really replaces the traditional 2D technical drawing with a 3D model that's got all of the product manufacturing information on it. And it also includes Inspection, which allows us to create first article inspection reports from our SOLIDWORKS data. The important thing is that all of these sit under the SOLIDWORKS umbrella and they all remain linked to the actual original CAD data. So if any of the original SOLIDWORKS CAD data changes, all of the information that we've created in these additional packages automatically update as well.